Hi, welcome back to my channel. This set of nails are done on this Saturday just gone. So I've removed all the previous design. And then I'm coming in on this index finger, I'm going to do an ombre. And I'm using here Mermaid. So I've just placed that on where I want it to start. And then I've blended it backwards and then walked it down the rest of the nail. I'm coming in here with Slush Fairy to get it nice and neat in that cuticle area first, and then I'm just lightly feathering the front of that bead down the nail. This nail here is going to be a full nail of Mermaid. So getting it on, tucking it in, and then we're going to pat and press down the nail. And I am using my CJP Big Boy here. So this nail here is going to be a full glitter nail, and just to get that cuticle area nice and neat, I've just come in with a wet, a bead of crystal glass dipped into Decadence from the Glitter Fairy, and then straight on top of that I'm coming in with this one, which is from the Princess collection, and this is Pocahontas. It is so bloody gorgeous. Love it. It's got those, it's that beautiful like gold colour, and it's just got these little triangles of that teal colour in there. It's really, really stunning. And then on this pinky I'm just going to do a little tiny cut out design just to mimic the finger on the other hand. So I'm coming in with Mermaid first, and I'll just drag that down the nail just on the one side, and then I'm just going to come and clean that edge up with the side of my brush. I want it as neat as I can get it with my brush, so I can come in with my next colour there, which is going to be coconut milk. Don't panic everybody, that thumb is just stained with colour. It's not going to drop off, it's fine. And she had a dark green set on beforehand, so I'm just doing a little ombre on this one again. Just going to cap these pretties just to protect that blend that we've created. If you don't cap your ombres, then you're going to file that blend and make it all wonky chomp. So, and you know you spent time to make it look nice and smooth. So always cap your ombres. checking that's dry. Just give it a little tap with the ND brush. I'm just going to come in with coconut milk now. I'm just going to make sure I tuck it right down till it meets the other corner. Both sides, and if it doesn't, then I'll add a tiny bit more. Like, I don't know if you can hear that, but my child is bouncing on his bed, and I literally feel like he's going to come through the ceiling and be sitting on my shoulders in a minute. Like, why though? Why, mate? So I've just added a teensy little glitter trail on that now, just using the same glitter, that Pocahontas, and then I'm just going to encapsulate that now. And then I'm going to come in with, I think it's Apple Shine next. Try and tuck that right down, but not getting too much product down the side there to bulk it out. God, do I sound really boring today? I just caught my own voice. Sorry if I do. And then I'm just going to finish this free edge off with some of that glitter. So tiny wet bead of acrylic into the glitter and then straight on the nail, and make sure you push it right up against that edge of the last colour so you haven't got any gaps. So, favourite part, tack-free top gloss. I love this colour Mermaid, it's so nice. It's beautiful. See those little green flecks in there, it's so pretty. Oh girl. So that's it guys, just adding a bit of cuticle oil. And then I'll leave a shot at the end for you. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I upload a video. And to my lovely subscribers, thank you so much for all your comments and everything. You really do brighten my days when I read through them, so thank you. And yeah, if you enjoyed, please hit the thumbs up, and I will see you all for another one on Wednesday. Bye!